pre and postseason visual vestibular function. So basically what they did was a VOMS and a tandem gait. They did it at the start of the season, and then they did it at the end of the season in uninjured people. The purpose of the study was to see how much fluctuation is in these measures in healthy people over the course of a sports season. If you see a large amount of fluctuation, meaning that you have low test retest reliability, meaning that the measure is not going to work really well as a measure of, concussion. You need something that's pretty stable. In the event of no injury, you would want to see a pretty stable measure. And what they found was on these things, you had a pretty stable measure. Okay, so that's essentially it. The visual vestibular examination does not change from pre to postseason in otherwise healthy adolescent athletes. Our findings suggest that this examination may be stable and robust to typical neurodevelopment occurring during this dynamic age group and help inform post-injury interpretation of these impairments.